in this series on creative thinking, I think the key here is always knowing when to think big, when to think small, when to think far, and when to think short term, when to think in details as opposed to the larger picture. And so in this topic here today, I would like you to toggle between thinking fast and slow, big and small, long and short term. So I've covered designing a future through your desire of the future, drawing the future, and drafting a future. And my question then in closing is for you to think about, what's your desire for the future and how would you draw it out? Because the picture would paint 1,000 words and have that conversation, just like the artifacts from the future. And how would you draft this future out?